Thanks, Denise. The West Indies leveled their three-match one-day international series against Australia after recording a four-wicket victory at the Kensington Oval in Barbados on Saturday. As Simon Preston reports, this was their first victory over Australian ODI cricket since 2016.
After electing to bat, the Aussies found themselves in early trouble when opener Ben McDermott was caught behind off the bowling of Jamaican Sheldon Cottrell for a duck in the first over. This gave the Caribbean side the lift they needed in pursuit of their first ODI win over the visitors in 5 years.
It's in the air.
And the wickets kept coming. Josh Philippe went for 16 off the bowling of Alzari Joseph with the score at 23 for 2. And Jason Holder took the third wicket, removing Mitchell Marsh for 8. It was then the Akeal Hussain show. Australia found themselves in a hole at 45 for 6 as left-armer Hussain claimed the wickets of Alex Carey, Moses Henriques and Ashton Turner. Mitchell Stark and Matthew Wade put on a 51-run partnership for the 7th wicket before Stark was out leg before for 19. Adam Zampa and Wes Agar played some strokes at the end to push Australia above 150 and in pursuit of 200. But they were eventually bowled out for 187 inside 48 overs. The Caribbean side also had a woeful start with the bat, as Trinidadians Evan Lewis and Darren Bravo departed for 1 and a duck respectively, as Stark's pace proved to be too hot to handle. Jason Mohammed and Shea Hope also went cheaply, leaving the West Indies in trouble at 69 for 3. When the skipper Kieran Pollard was out-bowled for 2, many thought it was curtains for the West Indies. But Jason Holder and Nicholas Pooran had other ideas. The duo put on 93 runs for the 6th wicket to pull the West Indies from danger towards victory. Holder and Pooran both brought up their half-centuries before Holder went for 52. Alzari Joseph hit the winning runs for the West Indies as the Caribbean men won with 12 overs to spare. The West Indies also picked up 10 precious points in the ICC Cricket Super League as they pushed to qualify automatically for the 2023 Cricket World Cup. The third and final ODI of the series is slated for Monday at the same venue. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.
Nonetheless,
Thanks, Simon. Meanwhile, due to complications associated with COVID-19, the 5-match T20 series between the West Indies and Pakistan has been cut to 4 T20s. This is the result of one of the non-playing staff in the West Indies setup testing positive for COVID a few days ago. It forced one of their ODIs against Australia to be postponed, and that in turn has had a domino effect on the Pakistan series, prompting the PCB and the CWI to strike off one of the T20s that was part of the original tour calendar. The T20 series is now slated to bowl off on Wednesday at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. The 2nd, 3rd and 4th T20s are slated for Guyana National Stadium on July 31, August 1 and August 3. The 2 test matches will be played at Savannah Park in Jamaica. The first test bowls off on August 12, while the second test is slated for August 20.